Hello, welcome back to the channel. Right, well, I haven't put a video up for the last week, I suppose, because we've been clearing a lot of rubbish, to be perfectly honest, and nobody wants to see that. It's boring as hell. It's absolutely boiling today. Very hot in it, Lewis. So hay fever is on. So what we're going to doing today is we are getting ready for the concrete, which is coming tomorrow. The sand blinding's going in, and what Steve's doing now, as you can see in here, oh, hay fever is on. I'll be sneezing again in a minute. Excuse me. So this has all been whackered down, and what Steve's doing now is just leveling it off to a certain extent, taking any of the big massive humps and dips and things like that in there, because what will happen is when you put the insulating boards on, it will create a bit of a pocket, and it could give you the risk of the concrete going on top of there, cracking at a later date, which is not good. So yes, we've got that section there, so there's DPM gone underneath that, then the layer of insulation, then another sheet of DPM's gone on, then we're going to go on top of that. We're going to tape all the joins up on there, and then we've got to do the same here. So this at the minute has all been whackered down. It got did on Friday, I think it was, and then there's going to be, what we normally do is just dump a couple of piles on, use a straight edge, and then just come straight back that way through there. There's Shawnee. It is boiling, so we'll work on this section now and get that done. I'll show you what Sean and Lewis have been up to. So what they're doing is they're going to be blocking all this section up here, which they've started doing the other side. They've built this section up here, so they've got the cat lintel on the top there, so they'll just carry that through down to that bit. We've got, I think it's 11 cubic meters of concrete coming tomorrow. I think it's mid-morning, so it's going to be a busy old day. So I'll leave you set up over here, so you can see what we've done. You can follow us on Instagram, I'll leave the link below. If you haven't already, there's subscribe button in the corner. If you hit that, you'll get and ring the bell on the corner as well. If you put it to all notifications, you'll get a message basically every time that I upload a video. You'll get a notification, and you can keep up to date then. But yeah, thanks for all your support, really appreciate it, and I shall catch up with you in a little bit. Cheers. Right, I'm gonna leave you there. Like I said, we're just getting the rest of this bit in all down here. So we'll catch up with you. We'll catch up with you once we've got that bit done, and then I'm going to put you over to Lewis and Sean and let you watch them do a bit of block work. So happy days. Right, we're coming to another end of a day. It's been absolutely roasting, and when you're standing on this stuff with the sunshine back at your face, all of a sudden, I haven't seen myself yet, but I reckon I'm pretty burnt. So in fact, we're going to find some shade. Yeah, like I say, thanks for watching the channel. I do really appreciate it. I appreciate the support. Yeah, leave your comments below on the videos. I do, like I said, I do try and respond back to them as soon as I possibly can. But yeah, just a quick recap of what we've done today. So we've got all the insulation in now on the ground floor. You can start seeing the building taking shape. We've got to tape all the joints up, which we're going to do tomorrow, and then there'll be another layer of DPM going on top, and then the concrete will be here around, I think it's around about 11 o'clock, I think. So the other side of that wall there is where Lewis and Shawnee have been blocking up all day. In fact, I'm going to show you that if I can. And Steve and Sean now are just cleaning out the rest of the vents. So if you look down there, very nice, very nice. So yeah, so it used to have like a dry air heating system or something. So that had air vents all through the floor, which I showed you on a different video. So they all need to come up because it's a weak point in the floor. So we're just scraping them all out, and then we're going to concrete those in as well, all in one go, and get them done. So it's all, the floor is all structurally sound. So yeah, like I say, thank you very much. If you haven't already, like I say, if you hit the subscribe button in the corner, and you can click on the bell and you set yourself some notifications on there. Like I say, I apologise I didn't get any videos really up last week really, but most of it was just clearing up rubbish on the site, so you don't really want to be watching that. There's not really good content. yeah, digger's gone today as well. Very upsetting. So I think I'll be doing a rewire potentially next week, because like I say, it's a bit of an emergency job, so I think I'll be rewiring another house next week, so I'll be filming that as well. But yeah, so thank you very much, and I shall catch you in a bit.